My man said he want another one. You know what I mean? I had to get him another one. Look at the dreads, though. He a young shredhead boy. Hey, Walker. Yeah. You know, Walker ain't got no more, no, son. It's not Grove Street. What's Grove? It's Stone Street.
Stone Gang.
Hey, Stone Gang. 5-star general in the building. Hey, you know what it is.
Hey, I said straight up off the top, a nigga gonna have to go and get it. Like a nigga wanna give me money, so I'm gonna get it. Anyway, I'm gonna get the money, go and get it. Hustle left and right to the day and night. I'm all with it. My niggas all about it, never fucking snitching, never telling. Y'all niggas rats, always fucking squilling. Take that shit over there with your fucking bitches, cause I come up in the house, yeah, right through the kitchen. Butcher knife, left and right, hit you any day and night, and don't really trip, cause y'all niggas gay, faggot like. My shit, so you better act right. If you don't, guarantee it's gonna be a long night, night. And y'all niggas wanna fight, never that. Fire one.